Good morning, Primary 6. Today we're going to learn about solving word problems about fraction. So before we start, let's pray first to God for all the knowledge that we're going to learn today and for the help that He had given us. Okay, class, please open your pupils book, page 49. Open your pupils book, page 49. Your page 49, you will see that when you have to solve a word problems, we may use calculator because it makes our lives easier. Now, based on what you see, the first one is learn 1A. A machine processes 1 per 10 kilograms of sugar every minute. How many minutes will it take for the machine to process 2 kilograms of sugar? So this means that we can divide 2 kilograms by 1 per 10. Yeah. They ask us how many minutes. So we're going to divide 2 divided by 1 per 10 equals to 2 divided by 10 and multiply by eraser si mana? Yeah, multiply by 10 per 1, which would be equals to 2 multiplied by 10 is 20 per 1. Okay, class? That's the first one. Okay, now we're going to go to the second example, that is learn 1B. Now you see that there's a picture of calculator. It means you may use your calculator. So a rectangular garden has a length of 4 meter. Its area is 6.3 per 8 meter square. What is the area of the rectangle? We know the formula for area of rectangle is length multiply by breadth, ya, atau panjang kali lebar. Now we know the area, so if we want to find the area, we just need to divide the area with the length. So we have 6, 3 per 8 divided by 4, 1, 4 equals to 1.5. If we use calculator, we can write it like this. 6, yeah, but this needs to use our scientific calculator, yeah. 3, 8, then divide by 4, the symbol 1, the symbol 4. Yeah, and then we press equal. And we'll find the answer as 1, the symbol 1 and 2. Okay, so this is what you will get for finding the area of a rectangle. Any question? No? Okay, now we can go to the next page, which is about learn 1C. Tammy has 3 per 5 liter of rose syrup. She poured the rose syrup equally into 4 cups. A. Find in liters. Let's see. Now, find in liters the amount of rose syrup in each cup. We know that there's a 3 per 5 liters of syrup, yeah, left in the bottle. Then we want to divide it into 4 cups. So we just divide this into 4. 3 per 5 divided by 4. which will be equals to 3 per 5. We change the division into multiplication and we put the place as 1 per 4. Remember to switch this denominator and numerator. Now we can multiply the top one. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So each cup will have 3 per 20 liter. Then you can go to the next one, which is she bought another 3 liter of syrup. Yeah, and how much will we get if we divide how many cups will we have if she bought another 3 liter? So we can write 3 liter divided by 3 per 20, which would be equals to 3 multiplied by 20 per 3. Then we divide 3 with 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we got 20 more cups to fill. Okay, that's about the word problems that we're going to have. And you can look at the example of 1D and you can try to use calculator. Same thing with try 1. Now we're going to do try 1A, try 1B, and try 1C together. Now look at try 1A. Basket contained red and yellow tomatoes. 4 per 7 of the tomatoes were red. All the red tomatoes were packed equally into 12 bags. What fraction of all the tomatoes from the basket was packed into each bag? So we have 4. There are 7 tomatoes, where 4 are red and the rest are yellow. Now we're going to find how many, if all the red tomatoes were packed equally into 12 bags, what fraction of the tomatoes from the basket was packed into each bag? So we know that 4 per 7 divided by 12 bag would be 4 per 7 multiplied by 1 per 12. So we got 4 per 7 multiplied by 12 is 84. We can simplify this by dividing both of the number by 4, class. So it is equals to 1 per 21. Okay, so there will be 1 per 21 of all the tomatoes was packed into each bag. Now let's go to try 1B and try 1C. Okay, a plank is 4 per 5 meter long. After a worker cuts it into equal pieces, each is 1 per 10-meter long. How many pieces did he cut the plank into? So we have 4 per 5 meter of a plank or a wood, and then we divide each 1 per 10-meter long. How many would we get? So we can write 4 per 5 divided by 1 per 10 equals to 4 per 5 multiplied by 10 per 1. Remember, when you change division into multiplication form, you switch the numerator with the denominator. Switch itu tukeran ya, kelas. So now we have 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So he cut the plank into 8 pieces, which is shown in the picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can use number try 1C with your calculator. By using the calculator, you will find the answer. Okay, class, for your work, you're going to do, for your practice, you're going to do yourself try 1D, yeah, and you have to post it in Schola. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.